All right, eighth grade, here is your next grammar assignment. It's called That's Mine. All right, we're going to be dealing with possession. It says when a word shows that something to belongs to it, it shows ownership. Possession is another word for ownership. An apostrophe is used to show possession. Example, Frisky's leash. To whom does the leash belong? The leash belongs to the dog, Frisky. You usually add apostrophe s to a noun to show possession. It says show possession of the following examples. Don't forget the apostrophe. The first two have been completed for you. So in number 1, it says the food belongs to a cat. So to show possession, it's the cat's food. The nest belonging to a bird. It is the bird's nest. So we have the bike belonging to Miguel. So on the line, I'm going to write Miguel's bike. Notice my apostrophe right there. I made it pretty bold. The store that is owned by Kim would be Kim's store. So you're going to finish those showing ownership by using an apostrophe S on most of those. Now, when you get down to the bottom part, it says rewrite the sentence below, adding apostrophe where one is needed to show possession. Now, I'm going to have you highlight the word that shows possession. So Nikki ran screaming into Manuel's house. So I'm going to highlight Manuel's house because that shows possession. Then on the line, I'm going to have you write it, just the word, not the entire sentence, so that I can see where you're adding the possession. So on number 12, it says, my dad knocked down a hornet's nest. So I'm going to highlight, whoops, I meant to highlight that. Highlight hornet. Then I'm going to go back and write hornet with my apostrophe S. So it's hornet's nest. So you're going to finish 13, 14, and 15. And don't forget to do the ones up above. When you are finished, don't forget to submit to me through Canvas.